Hello everyone, we came today with another video on how to make real money online by working online from your own laptop or mobile without to get outside of your house and without to work under anyone. There is no time limit in the websites I will show you in this video. It's free work. You can work at any time you want. And in today's video I am going to show you guys the best 3 websites that you could make money online from them as I make. Please guys, before we jump into these websites, subscribe to my channel and give a like button to this video. Let's go to these websites. The first website is ClipClaps. Get rewarded for watching your favorite videos. ClipClaps is the best video player in the world. Earn rewards by playing games, watching videos and uploading links of your favorite videos. Step 1. Open ClipClaps website. Step 2. Watch the best videos and lose yourself in our digital content. Step 3. Share. Upload the content you like and become a megastar. Step 4. Experience the fun game. It's so easy website to make real money from. All the money you will earn it from this website will be sent to your PayPal account. The second website is Pico Workers. Pico Workers is an American company owned and run by Americans in partnership with administrators from across the world. It is also a freelance website that connects workers and employers around the world. A lot of people earn passive income monthly from Pico Workers. All you need to do is to complete simple tasks provided by employers. The tasks and jobs provided on this website are promoting on social networks, writing, testing websites, data entry, downloading, searching, installing and testing mobile apps, sales and marketing, accounting and legal services. Workers making money online. See the most recent workers who completed a task and their performance on Pico Workers. Small gigs, big results. You too can be the next to be part of this. Take the first step and sign up now. I showed you the second website. Take a chance guys and work from your own home without to get commands from others. And I will put the link of the website in the description below. Let's now jump to the third website, which is the best website for me. I am going to show you guys now the website that you could make passive income online from it by doing simple tasks, which calls Microworkers. Microworkers is similar to Pico Workers, but in Microworkers, there are a lot of jobs more than the jobs provided in Pico Workers. Microworkers is an innovative crowdsourcing platform that connects employers as well as workers globally. We offer effective solutions to companies and businesses in need to outsource their jobs and projects. Solutions may include constructive ways of breaking down vast tasks to be distributed to workers, minimizing your time to finish your project and collect results on your target date. Our platform specializes in deploying micro jobs to workers such as data collection and analysis, moderation and/or extraction of data, annotation, categorization, image or video tagging, translation and transcription, product testing, research and survey jobs and more. Microworkers began in 2009 and is now one of the leading and trusted crowd-based outsourcing platform online. How Microworkers website works. Here in Microworkers, you can be an employer and/or a worker. As an employer, you can offer jobs by creating campaigns and ran them to your preferred group of skilled workers or selected workers from a specified chosen country. Created campaigns are being processed by our designated personnel and then released to be open to our workers. Employers have access to the development of their campaigns via our website or API. As a worker, you can earn money by doing micro jobs available for you. You can perform jobs anytime and there is no limit to how many jobs you can accept. If you have special skills, you can be included in our predefined group of workers where you can be offered special and interesting jobs and earn more money. Once you perform a task, it will then be reviewed and rated by the employers. You will earn money when your task is rated as satisfied.